Learn about right and wrong with John. That's me. And Don, this is a robbery. John likes to help people across the street. I'll help you. You're such a great role model, John. Don likes to chase people across the street. Help! Help! Somebody call the cops! Hey, get back here! Give me your purse! Give me back my purse, you hooligan! Yeah, I got the purse! Oh, Don. Yeah!
Here they come, y'all. Here they come. Here they come, y'all. Here they come. Here they come, y'all. Here they come. My crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew is incredible. My crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew is incredible.
Hey man, you can't do that. That's bad luck. That's not how you play the game. Man, forget all that.
Check out my crew. We ain't gonna listen to your superstitions, so Stevie D, tell them why we on a mission.
The other day I was going ham at a pizza place, shoving pepperoni all up in my face. Reach over the table, spilled salt on the floor. My mom's was tripping like I started a war. She said, you know what bad luck spilling salt brings? I just smiled at her and I started to sing. I ain't scared, I'm gonna do it. No such thing as bad luck and I'ma prove it.
Oh my gosh! Did you see that? Hey yo, we ain't scared of the lies you tell. Next up on the mic is my sister Michelle.
Just last week, whipping my hair, straight blow drying, cause the boys all scared. Raced for my mirror, but it fell to the ground. It shattered to pieces with a crazy sound. My dad screamed out bad luck for 7 years, so I broke another mirror. I shouted, no fear, I ain't scared, I'm gonna do it. No such thing as bad luck, and I'm gonna prove it.
It happened again, it happened again. Yeah, them rhymes is hot, they straight up sizzle. Next up is my homeboy Danny Dizal.
I'm not up. I'm not rapping. I saw what happened to you and your other friends, and I believe in bad luck.
I know you're not afraid of bad luck. What's the matter? Talk to a player while we walk under this ladder.
Seriously? No. I'm going back to where we left that board game in the middle of the sidewalk.
Look, I ain't scared, I'm gonna do it. No such thing as bad luck and I'm gonna prove it. Oh gosh! Ow! I did in fact break my back! All of my back is broken right now. Bad luck is real! Ow!
Can you like roll it for me, please? Sure. And now, things not to brag about. I don't mean to brag, but I got a Nintendo Switch. Case. I have an incomplete on my final exam. I'm going to the school dance with my dog. I have to wear this thing on my head all day. I've had world record for most itchiness. I sleep underwater. Doctor's orders. Under your shoe there is an Uno card. Remove it, and you will find a red reverse card. Red reverse? How'd you do that? The power of magic. Dude, your magician brother is so cool. Yeah, it's cool for about 5 minutes, then it's a nightmare. Hey, check it out. I won $1 million. Wow, impressive. But more impressive is this. Can you turn it back now? I have to cash that in. Nope, doesn't work that way. The power of magic. Hey, Darcy, look, the dance is coming up this weekend, and I was wondering if maybe you'd like to... Hey, Darcy, you want to go to the dance? Yeah, I've been waiting for somebody to ask me. Huh? Magic. My mom made my favorite today. Huh? What the? Man, you're on a strange diet. Magic. So yeah, his magic can get old pretty quick. I wish my brother was a magician. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Ow! Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop. Ow! Well, you're gonna cry. You're gonna cry to your little mom. Stop, it hurts. Stop. I'm telling mom. And now, party time. And now, epic subway dance. And now, more things not to brag about. I just learned the word hardly. I have a penny in my big wallet. I have a pimple that I'm keeping an eye on. I cut some of my hair, and I keep it in a bag.
3-course kicking. Course 1, sandwich. No good.
Course 2, cabbage. It's good. Course 3, onion. No good. Time to pay the bill. Hi, I'm Winnie, and I'm about to do some parkour. This has been Hardcore. Dude, I got the new Switch. Cool, let's open it. Dude, I can't open it. The zipper's jammed. I have an idea. Nah, I can't do this. Aw. Well, bye. I just want to play with my new Switch, man. Mario. Here, it is not that hard. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Oh man, the Switch is dead. Really? Yeah. Hey, can I see that real quick? Hey, no, it's mine. Let go of the box. No, let go of the case. Let go of it. No, I will not let go of it. It's mine, Dad. I want it. Hey, give it. It's my case. Stop it. I want it. Stop it. Hey, Switch. Give it. Give it. It's mine. I want it. Okay, let's start this. Knife. Thank you. We lost him. This has been Fruit Surgery. Learn about right and wrong with John and Don. Give me all your money. John likes to tutor students. Is that wrong? Correct. Good job. Don tutors students into stealing. Alright, do me a favor. Go steal that Nintendo Switch over there. I can't. It's illegal and wrong. D-. Oh, Don. And now, more things not to brag about. I had a finger removed, and I kept it. The inside of my mouth always smelled like onions. When I do this, I get a headache. I can repeat myself over and over and over again. I can repeat myself over and over and over again. I can repeat myself over and over and over again. I eat chips straight out of the bag. Are you tired of not getting out of your bed? Introducing Loud Beds. Loud Beds? Yup. Loud Beds is a bed that can make you wake up by a loud noise. They're a stick hit. Ow! Ear rape music. And dog licks. Oh, okay, I'm up. And for heavy sleepers, we have all of them all combined. No, wait, no, please, I'm awake. And if you're still in bed from all that, we have projectile mode. Loud Beds. We dare you to stay in bed. And now sliding into sandwiches. Delicious!
If all the rain drops are red, it drops are red, but all I can say they were they. Sending the cell with my mouth open wide. Barney, are you okay? Kenny, press my heart. Okay. I love you. You love me. Barney, no! Help, we're homeless. We don't have any money. Help! What are you guys doing? We're homeless. We need money. You know you live with us here. I know, we're just making a raise. Well, we can sing for the money. Alright, I guess I'll hear a song. Yeah, me too. Alright, I'll start first. Oh God, my ears! Ah! That song is terrible.
Hey, I'm Lesnar, and I'm about to read my Wimpy Kid Do-It-Yourself book. So go ahead and make fun of me if you want. Alright, let's get started. That's me, Greg. My favorite video games are Wii Sports, Mario, Call of Duty. I don't even play that game. My favorite songs are Selena Gomez. That's not even a song. My favorite books are Wimpy Kid, Regular Show, and Gumball. My favorite movies are Barnyard, Fun Size, Space Jam, and Looney Tunes Back in Action. My favorite animal is tiger, dogs, and puppies. By the way, I was 10 years old when I made this, and I used to have bad handwriting. Tigers are cool, puppies are cute, dogs are loyal, tigers are dangerous. What's your favorite color? Red, blue. Red is the best color, blue is cool. What's the title of the last book you read? Batman. Hey, you have a cup of peanuts in your bag. Your brain is a peanut. Zooey Mom. Craig Tim the Idiot comic. Hi, I'm Craig Tim the Idiot. No, it's not. It's Stuart Pidd. Oops, sorry. My name is Stu Pidd. Okay, Jason, it's time to do I Ready. What is it, Mr. Buttface? I Ready is a game where you poop on it. My 5 bold predictions for the future is YouTuber, cop, roommates with my friends, living in a mansion, and buying a Lambo. Hi, I'm Eugene. Want to make out? Yeah, let's make out because you're ugly. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I used to think stuff like this was funny when I was 10. This was... Dude, bet you $5 you won't make it to the Nutcracker. I will. Do it then. Okay, dude, here I go. Yeah, that's so wicked sweet. Ah, my balls, it hurts. You still owe me $5. Well, dude, it's called the Nutcracker. Oh, come on. Good advice for next year's class. Always look good for picture day. Sit in a private spot in the cafeteria. Ignore what people say about you. Always sit in the perfect seat with the perfect person. Now that's what I like. Not only was I weird when I was 10, I was also inspirational, I think. Favorite band, Selena Gomez and the Team. The Scene, not Team. Celebrity Ozuna, Selena Gomez. Favorite smell, my childhood. Favorite restaurant, Domino's. Favorite athlete, Michael Jordan. Least favorite show, Teen Titans Go. I mean, it's still a bad show. Band, Nickelback. Food, vegetables. Celebrity, Justin Bieber. Smell, bathroom. Villain, Plankton. Least favorite restaurant used to be McDonald's. Craigton, why is there a boot on my head? Oops, I thought it was supposed to go on your head. Craigton, you're an idiot. No wonder you don't have a brain. Oops. Okay, I'm done with this. Spot the difference. Hey, can you spot the difference between these two pictures? Give up? In this picture, Brady is smiling. You know, everyone's talking about this new girl. Oh yeah, she just transferred here. I actually know her. Really? Yeah, I want you to meet her. Steve, meet Emojina. Oh, hi. I'm Steve. What class do you go to? Oh, science. So do I. Can I walk you? Cool, let's go. All right, class, today we're gonna learn about— Ow! Hey! Who put a thumbtack on my chair? Emojina, was this you? Oh, well, I guess not. That was hilarious. Did you see the look on Mr. Marcus's face? That's it. You are so funny. Anyway, I was wondering, did you maybe want to go to the prom tonight? Hey, Steve. Oh, hey, Rachel. What? No, Rachel's just a friend. I'm not lying. I'm not really sure what that even means. You're drooling? Aliens are coming to Earth? Oh, you're a pirate. Arg? What did I do? Hey, dude. Hey, man. So, how was Emojina? I don't know. She was a little confusing, and I don't think I'm ready for the whole dating world thing. Oh, well, it's fine. Well, someday in the future, you'll find another girl to be with. Yeah, eventually. So, I'm heading off to lunch. Wanna come? Yeah. Spot the difference. Hey, can you spot the difference between these two pictures? Time's up. In this picture, there are no people on it. Learn about right and wrong with John and Don. I'm gonna break into your house. John does his homework on time. You are a very amazing role model, John. Don also finished his homework on time. Wow. Nice job, Don. Thank you. I find literature extraordinarily fascinating, particularly 19th century poetry. Such beautiful prose. But what about your math homework? Math? I hate math! It's hard! Don, no! Don't eat camera! Don! Alright, guys, see you later. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Hey, guys, I'm Jim. Well, time for me to hang up the phone. Aw, okay. Bye, sweetie. Bye-bye, sweetums. You hang up first.
No, you hang up first.
I'm not hanging up till you hang up, so hang up.
Well, I'm not hanging up till you hang up, so you hang up.
Okay, on the count of 3, we'll both hang up. Cool?
Cool.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You didn't hang up.
You didn't hang up.
Okay, seriously, hang up.
No, you hang up.
You hang up. No, you hang up. No, you hang up.
I'll hang up when you hang up.
I'm not hanging up till you hang up. Chester Thomas, just hang up. I told you, I'm not hanging up till you hang up. Liz Montez, thank you. Just hang up. No, you hang up. You hang up. No, you hang up. Wait, how did our phones not die? You're right. And now, notebook dismount.
Stop the rumbling.
The amazing fart police, one time in the living room. Blarf! Fart police, you're under arrest. No, it was my wife. It was her. Honey, don't stop lying. I don't fart. It was him, officer. Girls don't fart. Nice try. You're going to jail. Aw, rats. Make your own time capsule. And my time capsule will be baby pictures, favorite shirt, baby toys, favorite books, favorite toys, favorite DVDs, favorite magazine. I don't even read magazines. Just to be clear, I didn't write much of this book. Come up with your own catchphrase. Yeah! Baddest thing you ever did as a little kid. I cracked an egg. The Amazing Fart Police Part 2. One time in the restroom. Fart Police, you're under arrest. What? It's just a little too. Yeah, and that's illegal in fart world. You're going to fart butt. Hey dude, let's watch Feisty Pets, okay? I like the Feisty Godzilla, me too. And then the Feisty Godzilla is here. Class being loud and disruptive in my class. Be quiet! Can't you people be quiet for once? I always wrote these comics at school and even sometimes during lunch. Yo, bet you can't slide down there. Bet you $50 I'll do it. And then he does it and he trips over a rock. You still owe me $50. And that's the end. Goodbye.